What's up guys, Adam C here for Hidden Jackpots. I'm in Niagara Falls on River Road out front of the 10,000 Buddhas temple. Now this is a place you might not have heard of, but it is right along River Road. So we're going to check it out. It was completed in 2001 and yes, it does contain 10,000 Buddhas. You're not allowed to go inside, you can't film inside, it's a place of worship. There's lots of statues to check out outside, so we're gonna go in to the property and check it out. Let's go. So as you can see, you enter through the gates. They have the lions on either side. And there's so many statues. Look at this. Look at that. I would love to see the 10,000 Buddhas. As you come in, just to the left, you have this statue. Now keep in mind, I do not know a lot about Buddhism. So we're just going to basically take a look around. These statues are so detailed. This property actually used to be a car dealership back in the day. And now it's transformed into this beautiful place of worship. Look at that. Now, I'm not sure if the 10,000 Buddhas are included in the outside here, but if you look inside here, each one has a little statue inside. And they are all similar, but I noticed, I don't know what this means, but none of them have any heads. There's one of the main buildings here. This is truly a beautiful place in the midst of Niagara Falls. Like, look at that. Look at the detail. We will come back to this side once we take a walk around the side of the building. so peaceful here and so quiet. And from what I've read, they do offer guided tours for free, but will accept donations. So be sure to donate if you do take a guided tour. I'm amazed at the detail. Look at the details. Now we're behind the main building. This is one of the gates in the back. We do have a few things back here as well. And just the sheer size of these. Now even this, I'm gonna have to step back so you guys can get a good picture of this. And then we'll come up closer and take a look. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna get up closer so you guys can see some of these statues. Unfortunately, we can't go up to the second level, but we will check out the lower level. This is absolutely beautiful. And look at those dragons. I kind of wish there was a breeze so we could hear those bells. And every side is like that. Amazing. there. You can see behind the wall. $1998. So maybe I was incorrect about this place being completed in 2001. I'll step back and get a better look at this statue. And then we'll come back to the other side. There you can see just how big that is. Don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see some statues up there as well. And then we have this. And these are all along the perimeter of the property. As you can see over this way. Oh my, what is that noise? So again, this is located on River Road, Niagara Falls. I will post the exact address, and it is free to visit. Donations are accepted. Just look at that. Beautiful, simply beautiful. There's basically a look around the property here. There's the main building. We'll make our way back to the front here. And just look at the windows on this. This is really something to see in person. Even the front entrance. Look at that. And it is located next to a Ramada. We have more of these that line the property out front. The little statues inside. Again, if anybody would like to enlighten me why each of these do not have a head, please do. So if you're wondering exactly where this is, it is located right across the street from the White Water Walk, as you can see. Right there. And that is basically it from the front of the property here. You can see we came from all the way back there. So that was it, guys. This is a very interesting place. 10,000 Buddhas Temple in Niagara Falls on River Road. If you like this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and come check out the 10,000 Buddhas Temple. Again, it's free for a walk around. They do guided tours for a donation, and it's well worth the visit. I'm Adam C. for Hidden Jackpots. I'm out. Ciao.